Hey there guys, it's Jami Jo again, and I am with Jami Jo Sells Wax. I have a fragrance company and I have partnered with Scentsy Fragrance for over 14 years now. Been partnered with the company since all the way back in 2008. Today I have an awesome collection for you guys. I have another 6-pack pick, and again, this 6-pack pick has endless possibilities because the fragrances alone are so good and so all over the board. They don't really fit together when you think about these fragrances, but not only are the fragrances amazing, I have 6 different recipes to share with you guys again today. So the possibilities are endless with this 6-pack collection. Like I said, I have been with Scentsy Fragrance for over 14 years. I fell in love with Scentsy Fragrance for 3 main reasons: because the products are freaking amazing. They work. They smell super good. They last a long time, and they're super strong. I know that they're safe. They're safe to have around my family and my pets, and I love that these products are affordable. Now, the products are affordable just as it is, but I always come to you with a 6-pack pick because that is a great way to get stocked up on wax, because every time you buy 5 bars, you're going to get a bar free. So 6-packs are the way to go when you're thinking about the smaller consumable items from Scentsy Fragrance. Let's jump right into this scent collection. I'm going to go through the fragrances for you. I'm not reading the official descriptions. I'm just going to kind of do them off the top of my head, tell you what I'm smelling, and then we'll talk about those recipes. So the first bar in this wax collection is Apple Teeny Splash. Now this one is new this summer. Actually, I think maybe all of these are new this summer. Some of them are coming back. We've had them before, but they're all summer fragrances. Okay, this is really good. You do smell that Apple Teeny Splash. You know there's going to be apple in it, but it's not like in your face apple like Johnny Appleseed is. It's a bit more mild. I mean, if you can smell like a sparkling water, that's kind of what it is. It's definitely a more tame apple fragrance, but super yummy. Now, this next one is one of my newer favorites. We had it in a collection last year, and I'll tell you, I didn't fall in love with it in the collection last year, but this year I have. I finally learned how to say it. It is, I said that, and now I'm questioning myself. I'm going to say kukui and coconut. I'm pretty sure that's correct. So I love this fragrance. Coconut is always a mild, chill fragrance, but that kukui is a Hawaiian flower, I believe. Maybe a Hawaiian fruit. Maybe I should have got the official descriptions out, but I just love it. It's definitely a mild fragrance, but strong enough to smell. If you've been following my videos for any amount of time, you know that I love fragrances that you can smell. And this one you can. I love it. It's that coconut freshness, but a little bit of punch on top of it. Guys, as soon as this one came out, Lake My Day, this is brand new this season. As soon as it came out, I knew it was going to be among my top favorites. Lake My Day, to me, is definitely a masculine fragrance. I'm going to guess there's some sandalwood in there because usually I love sandalwood fragrances in the men's collection, and this one definitely has it. Lake My Day, as soon as this came out, I got it in a scent circle and hung it in my car because I love it. Raspberry hibiscus tea. Now, in the wintertime, if you are a winterberry tea fan, this is your summer version, raspberry hibiscus tea. I think this is so yummy. I wish that I had this in like a glass of ice right now because I would drink this up super fast. It's so good. You can smell that raspberry sweetness, but that touch of floral undertone with a bit of earthiness, and as weird as it sounds, you can smell the tea. Vitamin Unwind. Now, this came out in a limited time offer collection of vitamin fragrances, but everyone loved this one. I will tell you, personally, not my jam. It's very light. very unassuming. And like I said earlier, I prefer fragrances that are in your face. However, this is a great one to have on hand if fragrances tend to be a bit too much for you, or if we're gonna do, like we're gonna do in a second, and do some scent mixing. Sometimes a lighter fragrance is always good to have on hand. We're gonna round out this collection with Watermelon Tangerine. Again, this was in a summer collection last year, I believe. It's pretty self-explanatory. Watermelon and tangerine. You can smell the tartness of that tangerine, but kind of like that watermelon bubblegum undertones. It's really good. It's really fruity. I do enjoy this one. So that is your 6-pack pick, but I told you it was going to get a little better. We do have some recipes that we're going to go through with these fragrances. So Lake Life. We're going to take Lake My Day and Vitamin Unwind, which I think this is going to be a great pairing because this one's super in your face. This one is a bit more tame. This fragrance mix, this recipe is called Lake Life. Oh, I would have never really put these two together. Guys, I didn't come up with these recipes. I found them online from some of my Scentsy friends, but they really nailed it with this one. That's fun because it's the masculine noticeability at first, but then it kind of chills out and tames it back a little bit. I like that. Lake My Day and Vitamin Unwind. That's a fun mix. The next one, we're going to go to Raspberry Refresher. Of course, we're going to grab that Raspberry Hibiscus Tea and Watermelon Tangerine. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, that is tart. That is noticeable. Very fruity. If you're loving fruit fragrances right now, this is a good mix for you. Let's keep moving on. Lakeside Sips. Oh, how fun. Apple Teeny Splash and Lake My Day. Down here in Oklahoma, we have lots of lakes. People are spending tons of time on the lake. And many of the marinas around do have cocktail hours. Oh, you know, it's not what I expected. It really takes on more of an earthy fragrance. This mix, I never would have expected this. The earthiness of the Lake My Day definitely mixes well with the fruitiness of the Apple Teeny Splash. So good. Okay, as soon as I stop this video, I'm doing this mix up in my living room. Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna put those to the side. Yum, yum. Summer Spa Day, Kukui and Coconut and Vitamin Unwind. Oh, I bet this is gonna be a really good chill fragrance. Oh, yeah. If you need to chill out, this is the mix you need to do. Vitamin, Unwind, and Kukui and Coconut. Very spa-like, very fresh, very unassuming. Summer Vibes, which is Apple Teeny Splash and Watermelon Tangerine. This one's going to be fruity for sure. Yeah. I smell a lot of the watermelon in this mix. Watermelon and apple. What a fun mix. I like it. I think that would be a yummy little cocktail. Grab me some watermelon pucker and some apple teeny, I don't know. Okay, we're going to round this recipe session out with Hawaiian Raspberry, which is Kukui and Coconut and the Raspberry Hibiscus Tea. Now, guys, remember, you can mix anything you want. These are just suggestions. And you can do 1 and 1, 2 and 1 if you like one better. Like the one that was Lake My Day and Vitamin Unwind, I would probably do 2 of the Vitamin Unwind and 1 Lake My Day. If you have a scent that is super powerful, you can always cut it back and double up the other one. What are we doing here? Hawaiian Raspberry, Kukui and Coconut, and Raspberry Hibiscus Tea. Huh. I'm not sure about that one. I'd have to warm that one and really see about it. Guys, I would love to know what recipes and what mixes you guys are doing. I've shared a couple of these videos with you guys, but I would love to know what recipes you guys have come up with. And I would love to feature them here on a video and give you a little shout out for that. So if you have a favorite recipe or scent mix with your Scentsy wax bars, put them in the comments. Let me hear what you guys are mixing up and loving. But as soon as this video is over, I'm going to go do this mix, this Appletini Splash and Lake My Day. It's super yummy. Of course, Lake My Day is one of my favorites anyway. All right, guys, if you want to get the 6-pack, you can jump onto JamiJoSellsWax.com, go to specials, and under specials, that's where you will find the bundle and save options where you can get that free bar with the buy 5, get 1 free. Or you can text me at 918-888-9690. I would be happy to help you create a scent mix of your own. A 6-pack of your own. You can get your own 6-pack pick. So let me help you with that. Guys, just a reminder, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and help you come up with some fun little scent mixes and scent creations of your own.